Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore, and as you can see here we've got a whole Google Backup section. So let's tap on Backup Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and here we've got more info, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And as you can see here, we've got our backup account added to the device, which means that from now on your device will store the data right there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.